Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Clifford Inu. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I wanted to bring y'all some information on Clifford Inu. Merry Christmas to everybody out there watching this on December 25th. I wanted to bring this to y'all attention. Clifford Inu will be listed on Bitmart starting December 28th. You'll be able to trade the coin starting December 30th, and full withdrawal features will start on December 31st. This is big for the Clifford community being listed on Bitmart. This is the first primary listing on a centralized exchange. Right now, you can only buy Clifford on UNISWAP, but starting December 28th, right, you'll be able to deposit Clifford. Really, the full functionality of Clifford on Bitmart will be December 31st. So you can't wait till December 31st to, move your Clifford or buy Clifford, so you're able to deposit and withdraw, fully. So something else that came across my desk, I saw that Russ, the CEO of Saitama, tweeted that he was potentially looking at Cliff being added to Saitamask. So this is another piece of information I wanted to bring to your attention. Cliff not only listed on Bitmart, we know this is official, right? It's an official article from Bitmart. I'll have it listed below, but potentially Cliff could be on Saitamask once it's released. The Saitamask audit is almost done with CEX, so that's big information for the whole Saitama Wolfpack and also the Clifford Inu community. So that's my video for today. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Clifford will be listed on Bitmart starting December 28th. Full functionality of the trading ability will happen on December 31st. So if you want to wait until December 31st to move any of your Clifford or to buy any Clifford from Bitmart, I think that'll be a good thing to do. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.